Hey guys, Riding with Jay here with another quick install video. Today we're going to be installing the Kawasaki front axle sliders. Fairly simple. So the pieces that come with the Kawasaki front axle slider for 2018 Z900. So you're gonna have your main bolt, nut, two collars, the slider themselves, two washers, and two end caps. If you're interested in ordering it for yourself, that's the part number there. And for 2017, 2018, same thing, Z900. So we're gonna be putting that on the bike today. Very simple install. Following instructions, can't go wrong. So starting off with the main bolt, you're going to take this and the washer and you're going to slide this onto the main bolt. After that, you're going to take your collar piece. They're both identical side to side, right side, left side, they're the same. But for the collars, they're different. As you can see there, this will be your right side and this will be your left side. So this goes on here. There's a little keyway right there. So a flat piece that corresponds to the flat piece on the collar. So you're just gonna line those up. Once you got it lined up, fits right into place. You can do the same thing for your right side. So find the keyway and line that up. And then you're going to take the slider and put it through onto the bolt. And it's going to look like that. And like I said, there's a right side and a left side. So moving over to the bike, you can see here. So this is the front axle. So this is the right side of the bike and the... Okay, so taking your half assembled axle slider, so you got your main bolt, your washer, your axle slider end cap, and your collar piece. You're gonna apply this side, one without the raised portion on the collar, and apply this through the axle on the left side of the bike. So this is the right side. We're going to be applying it through the hole over here on the left side of the bike, right through. And you can see it's going to be sticking out a bit, about 1.5 inches on the opposite side, which is the right side of the bike. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of Loctite to the bolt, and going to be torquing it down. Kawasaki recommends 25 foot-pounds. So if you have a torque wrench, I'd recommend torquing that down, so you don't want anything to come loose. So now you're going to take your right side and you're going to put it right onto there. And then using the supplied washer, so this washer you're going to, it's a little tricky, but put it in there like that. And then this is a 14mm bolt that it comes with. It's a locking nut, so it has the little locking tabs right there and there. going to take that while holding on the left side and thread it onto the main bolt. And just catch a couple threads. Now you're all set to torque it down and then add your end caps. Okay, so now that you have the axis slider installed and snugged down, so the nut on the right side of the bike and the head of the bolt on the left side of the bike, you're going to want to torque it down to 25 foot-pounds. So you're going to want something where you can hold the head of the bolt while you torque down the nut side. So I have a torque wrench here set to the specified torque of 25 foot-pounds, so I'm gonna torque that down. So while you're doing this, you're gonna want to make sure that you have something to hold the other side so it doesn't spin on you while you're trying to achieve the proper torque. Okay, so we're torqued. And the last step would be to install the little caps that come and close off the end of there. So as you can see, the caps, they have two little teeth that lock in, and those teeth will lock into that spot there and that spot there.